we are not showing the film because I think there were a lot of speculations outside whether it is one. I can assure you this is not one. This is meant to be an intimate sharing of what we are no longer able to keep within us, which is, you know, this combination when creativity meets technology, when Sanjay Leela Bhansali meets 3D, and when you will, in a moment, meet Ranisa herself. So what happens when these things happen? I think magic happens. And anyone who's a cinema lover will be lying if he says that, you know, while yes, we will do different kind of films, many films will be content driven, many films will do different things, entertain in various ways. But when all is said and done, I think it's the romance of the big screen, the dark room, and then the dream world that opens up in front of you. And when that dream world has been opened up by none other than the master craftsman, Leelaon ke Mahaleela karne wale Sanjay Leela Bhansali, then when it finds technology, I think it becomes a spectacle that is worth waiting for. So you will have to wait a little more for the full film, but we thought we'll share with you what we have, which is the trailer that you've seen. But before I do that, I'm missing lots of people here. Of course, dearest being Sanjay himself, with whom this journey started when we thought about producing this film. It's only appropriate that we are doing this film in 3D now, because knowing Sanjay, he's someone who, you know, he naturally thinks in more than 3 dimensions. You know the way he himself gets into music, in art, costume, and all of that, and therefore, here is a guy who visualizes his stories in 3 dimensions. So what better way to bring it out in 3 dimensions? Since I don't have him here personally, I will do the next best thing, which is I will invite Shobha to come and share a message from him, since he couldn't be here and he's busy doing the thing which is most dear to me, which is finishing the film. Shobha, will you please share the message with us?
Thank you, Ajit. It's not the next best thing. I don't think I can replace Sanjay Bhansali here. But what he wanted me to communicate to all of you is that he's really sorry for not being here. It's a day, there's nothing more than he would have loved being here for. 3D, he's been wanting to do this with Prime Focus for the longest time. We tried for Bajirao too. So this is a day that I think we're all really proud of. And he really misses being here. Last few days of shoot. So apologies on that. And as Ajit has already said, that he thinks beyond the 3rd dimension. So which better film than this one to take it onto 3D? Thank you so much, and I think the rest will be on screen. Thanks.
Just to put that 50 million number in context, you know, हम लोगों को number हिंदी में ज़्यादा समझ में आते हैं. 50 million, when we say it brings something, but it actually means 5 crore. So 5 crore people have actually seen the trailer. That's first context. Second context is, what is the biggest film in the world you can think of right now, other than this? Yeah, somebody said that, Star Wars, right? And if you see the Star Wars trailer right now, it is actually in the region of, if my numbers are not wrong, 34, 35 million. And our trailer on YouTube itself is already clocking more than 38. So the trailer, which has been released around the same time, is actually already beating the world's, supposedly the world's biggest film. So that's the scale we are talking about. And I think I'll be doing a disservice if I do not invite at this stage our leading lady, the one whose a glimpse of whose craft you've seen in Ghumar. She is right here. May I invite Deepika? Remember, we started the year with XXX with a premiere, and I told you that we will end the year with Padmavati. So can I have you here now? And we can do this, this thing for which I can't wait any further. Deepika Padukone.
Wow. Good afternoon, everyone. I have to say, it's been a while since I've been so nervous. I can't remember the last time I was so nervous, and I think that's a function of the fact that in all the movies that I've done, I feel there's something about this one. And it's not from the heart, it's not from the head, it's from the gut. It's coming from a completely different place. And I think it's been an extremely emotional journey for all of us. Especially after we launched the trailer, I think the response and the reactions were absolutely overwhelming. I think Sanjay sir and all of us, we just literally did a group hug. We couldn't get over how overwhelming that feeling was, and from all of you as well. And we're very, very proud to present the 3D version of that today, which again, I think is a huge milestone for us as a team, for Indian cinema, and cinema for the world. I feel like this movie deserves that. And we're so happy to present this to all of you today. So enjoy, and we'll talk after you all have viewed the 3D trailer.
Can we have the trailer, please? The 3D trailer for Padmavati.
This time, indeed, I have a news, and a very good one. You saw the 3D trailer. As producers, we've always thought, how do we take this film, how do we make it bigger? How do we scale it up? How we take it to the world? What is it that we do which we have not done earlier? So first up, this is already the largest, biggest Hindi film under production. That's the first one. Second one, this will be the widest ever 3D release in Hindi, for which you saw the trailer. And third, this film is going to be taken to the world by none other than Paramount Classics. So Paramount, the 100-year-old studio, is going to take this film and distribute it the world over, whether it's Europe, whether it's US, China, and beyond. So I think this is a very proud moment for us as a studio to take this and to bring in a true blue Hollywood studio and show them this and say that, would you look at this film and would you take it to the world? And they've been very, very impressed with it, and they're very keen, and they are taking it on, and that's the other announcement that I wanted to share with you all. So Padmavati Chali America in that sense. I'm saying America only because Paramount is headquartered out of that. But indeed, it's a proud moment for us because it's about Hindi films making a mark at a global level. And what better film than this to do that? Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया. I would like you to please take a seat here on stage. इसी के साथ आपने तो अमेरिका की बात की है, लेकिन मैं फिर से लोगों को हिंदुस्तान में बुलाना चाहूँगी. इसी अंदाज में, जिस अंदाज में ये फिल्म बनाई गई है, मैं बोलूँगी रानी साहब, बाई साहब, प्लीज पधारो सा on stage. Deepika Padukone, the very gorgeous, the very beautiful, the very talented Deepika Padukone. Please take the center seat. Also, मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी नमित मल्होत्रा जी को, the founder, executive chairman, and global CEO of Prime Focus Limited. Sir, please.
So gentlemen and ladies, this is the technology part, which I'm only pleased to introduce to you, the man behind Prime Focus, who's rendering this beautiful 3D. So it's very important. He's a very important partner in our journey, and I'm pleased to have him here. Welcome.
अच्छा दीपिका, एक सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ. आई लव डांसिंग, प्लस आप जिस टाइप के ये गाने करते हैं, तो हम सभी लोग इसके ऊपर the first time we see हम choreography सोचने लग जाते हैं. You must have already seen on YouTube, there are so many dancers who are performing on your song घूमर. So पहले गरबा, फिर लावणी, फिर घूमर. I know कि संजय लीला भंसाली जी अपनी हर फिल्म में कुछ ना कुछ folk music include ज़रूर करते हैं. So you must be all prepared ना कि मुझे 66 चक्कर लगाने हैं. आप पहले से चक्कर खा के सोचती होंगी कि ये तो करना ही है. क्या सोचते हैं आप?
When I did my first film with him, and maybe even the half of Bajirao Mastani, I always felt like as an actor, okay, I have to go prepared, I have to rehearse, I have to, I have to know exactly what I'm doing to be able to deliver in the way that he expects you to.
Yeah.
I think halfway through Bajirao Mastani and now with Padmavati, I realized that with him, you have to just trust and you have to just go with the flow. So if you talk about Ghumar, for example, I think what I focused on was learning the essence of Ghumar itself. I think for 2 days we tried to sort of set the choreography because he said, even I want to be, I want to change the way I work. I want to, I want you to rehearse and have the song ready, and so that when we come on set, we just shoot the song and there are no changes.
66 चक्कर rehearse भी किए और
नहीं किया मैंने actually, set पे जाके ही किया मैंने because that was not planned at that point. And as expected, I think what happened is what I worked on for about 2 or 3 weeks was just to learn the essence of the folk dance of Ghumar. And then every day on set, I think we were just creating as we go, because I think Sanjay sir and I work best like that. We work best on instinct, not planning too much. At that point, in fact, there have been times where we rehearse a lot for a scene, and the next day we go to shoot it, and everything changes because it's creativity flows. It's not something that you can print and, it's not etched forever. You want to, you flow, and that's the way we work best together.
Lovely, I love this song. Thank you so much for this song. उसी के साथ में नमित, मैं आपसे भी पूछना चाहूँगी, जब पहली बार संजय लीला भंसाली जी ने आपको बताया कि हम एक 3D वर्जन निकालने वाले हैं इस फिल्म का, so how was your reaction? Were you like shocked, or were you tensed, or were you happy, excited? What did you feel?
मेरी हिस्ट्री संजय जी के साथ बहुत पुरानी है. इनफैक्ट मैं बाहर कह ही रहा था कि दिस इज थर्ड टाइम लकी. मैं उनको 3 फिल्मों से कोशिश कर रहा हूँ उनको कन्विंस करने के लिए कि ये करना चाहिए. वो कन्विंस हमेशा थे. आई थिंक इस बार हमने एक स्टेप आगे लिया, उनको 3D का एक सैंपल बना के दिखाया.
अच्छा, तो ये आपकी तरफ से
ये
शुरुआत
हमने
हुई है.
उनको तो करना ही था हमेशा.
Oh, so he's the man.
He is always the man.
No, you are the man.
No, we are only executing his vision. I think we know he can do what nobody else can do, and I have great excitement and enthusiasm that what we've been able to do, fortunately for all the biggest films in Hollywood, we will bring the same technology and push the boundaries in India, and that's a real proud moment for me and my company.
Lovely. Thank you so much. With this, I also open this stage for media question and answers. So can we please have some mics handed over to the media members?
Hi, दीपिका, आलोक है आपके राइट में. एक तो बहुत ही अद्भुत ट्रेलर है, कितनी दफ़े देखो कम है, तो इसके लिए मैं बधाई देना चाहूँगा. सवाल है बाजी, उसके पहले रामलीला, अभी पद्मावती. पद्मावती की चुनौतियाँ कितनी डिफरेंट थी आपके लिए, अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें. रानी साह का किरदार निभाना
बहुत ही अलग था मेरे लिए. आई फील even though with Mastani there was a sense of historic and a warrior princess, here her battles are very different. Her power and energy is very different. She doesn't go out to the battlefield. She doesn't have a talwar or a armor that she wears, jaise aapne Mastani mein dekha. Here it's the spirit is similar. Her purity, her intensity, her values, what she stands for, all of those are very, very relatable, very, very identifiable, yet not in the literal sense. And for me as an actor, I found that even more difficult. As Mastani, if I have to show warrior princess, it's easier for me to have a talwar in my hand and go to a battlefield and do horse riding and actually show you what it is like to go and fight a war. How do you fight so much more than just a war? You're standing up for your tradition, your culture, your heritage, your passion, love. There's so much that's going on. How do you stand up for all of that just by emoting without any tools? So I think that is what I found extremely challenging for me with Padmavati.
पद्मावत आपने पढ़ा था इसके पहले, पद्मावत के बारे में किसी ने आपको जानकारी दी इस किरदार के लिए?
Sanjay sir and I have been discussing it for almost 2 years since we were shooting Baji Rao. And so, in fact, just yesterday somebody asked me, how long have you been preparing for this? It's not in the last 1 year that I have been shooting. I think I've been living with this now for almost 2 or 3 years, correct me if I'm wrong, Shobha, where Sanjay sir is the kind of person, he'll be, he sits at his monitor, he's scribbling, he's writing something. What are you doing 2 years from now? Sir, I don't know, sir. So I'm thinking, and he kind of just plants that thought in your head. And that's when the movie begins for me as an actor, and I'm sure for him creatively as well, because it's not for me, it's not the physical. Of course, all of these things are, it's done. Getting into the look, preparing for a song, for example, going for rehearsals. That's the physical preparation. But your mental and emotional preparation starts, it's almost like 2 to 3 years.
मिस्टर अंधारे, ये तो आज 31 तारीख है, कल 1 तारीख हो जाएगी, 1 महीने का वक्त होगा. और प्रमोशन के लिए किस तरीके से और कैसे कैसे मंच हम सबको देखने को मिलेंगे, थोड़ा उस पर आप अपना मत रखें.
देखिए आज हम जिस कारण से मिल रहे हैं, that itself is about how do you make this film, punch above its enormous weight. So first of all, it's a film with enormous weight. Therein lies the biggest news, which I said the first thing. Now, second is how do you make it punch above it? So 3D we have already done. There are more things that I'm not at a stage of announcing, but we are planning beyond 3D. What else can we do? How can we make it bigger, more impactful? In terms of distribution, I already told you that it's going to the world through a blue-blooded Hollywood studio. It's an important thing to understand. See, because we always bring these Hollywood films, and we are distributing and marketing them. So it's for the first time, and we take notes when they present the films to us. It is the first time when we had this, very Columbic feeling of going out there and, sharing that, what, we have a film to show you, and they took notes. It's something very special. And so I think that's a very big step in how this film is going to go to the world at a very unprecedented scale. What you've seen in terms of trailer is something which has already made a huge impact. You will of course see as the songs unravel. And I think in some cases, less is more also works brilliantly. So I think we don't want to just get carried away and put all the firepower out there. I think the right way is to tease people in the right way and then bring them to the epic that Padmavati is. I think that will be the right approach here.
Deepika, this is Urvi here. Deepika, to your right. Deepika.
You all figure it out first. And
No, we won't be taking this question. Can we have the next question, please?
Hi. Deepika, this is Deepika, Urvi here to your right.
Hi, Deepika, towards your center.
Deepika, Urvi here towards your right. So Deepika, when the first look of Padmavati came out, there were a lot of, people were overwhelmed with the poster that came out. What was the best reaction that you got? And were there any strange reactions that you received because of the unibrow that you are?
no.
Nothing.
In fact, I read some amazing articles about how we took beauty and turned it on its head.
Right.
And I think it's high time we did that. I think as women, we have been conditioned to think of beauty a certain way. And I'm glad we did what we did with Padmavati and my look. And it takes immense amount of, I would say, belief, not just me, but even for my director, for all of us together, to take that, sort of risk in a sense, I would say, because that's not how our audience has been conditioned, because all of us have been conditioned to think of beauty a certain way. But Padmavati's beauty is beyond the physical beauty. It's her soul, it's her spirit, it's what she stands for, it's what she meant to her people. She's worshipped. And we have to give her that due, and we have to give her that credit, and this movie is that, So keeping all of that in mind, power and courage and, it's all of those things. So some people have picked up, in fact, a lot of people have picked up on the unibrow, and somebody said skin tone and, all of these things. But the beauty is so much more. You'll understand what I'm saying when you see the film. It's not just the physical beauty. For me, she's hugely inspiring. And
Deepika, also, I wanted to know, when will we see you and Shahid go on Bigg Boss and promote the film?
I can assure you that's not a planted question, Deepika.
It's strange because I've been reading these articles as well. I think, to be very honest, at this point, I think we're just right now reeling in all the excitement and the reaction to the trailer and the reaction to Ghumar. There's just so much going on. I think slow and steady. Less is more, slow and steady. I think we're sort of taking one thing at a time. We're not planning too much ahead. We know exactly what we're doing, and we leave it at that.
Deepika, towards your center left. Deepika.
Two more questions.
Hi.
Last two questions.
Hi, this is Priyanka from Indian Express. I have a two-part question. So we have heard that your remuneration was the highest among the lead actors. first of all want to know if that's true. And if that is true, then how significant do you feel this is for an industry where women and female actors have been, treated second-handedly?
Okay, so we won't be taking that question. I'm so sorry for that. Can we have the next question,
But I
please?
will answer a part of that. I won't tell you, talking about my remuneration for me is not exciting. I'm confident and comfortable with what I'm paid, as I'm sure you are with what you get paid. But what I will tell you, and something that I'm extremely proud of, is the fact that people like them have invested this kind of money on a film like this with a poster like this. That for me is hugely encouraging. If Ajit says this is the biggest film that Indian cinema has ever seen, not just in terms of scale, in terms of budget, in terms of resources, what is the poster behind? I mean, for me, that's a turning point for Indian cinema. I haven't seen that before. I've done female-centric films before, or female-centric is not the right word, but we've seen very, very strong, powerful women at the fore. I've done Piku, but that was different, and I feel like this is the beginning for a lot of exciting and very, very amazing things to happen to women in film.